solve 3 over 5x plus 7 over 10 is equal to minus 3/2. Okay, if any of you know how to start this problem, put a check mark next to your name. If you have no idea how to do that, put the X next to your name so I don't ask you questions. Okay? X, if you don't know what to do, check mark if you know. Okay, let's go ahead and start from top of the list. Chris, what do you think we should do? What would be a first step to solving this equation? You can go ahead and type your answer since you don't have a microphone. Okay, Chris is going to give us an idea how to get started with this. While we do that, Danielle, Inez, what do you think we should do? So then you can type your answer as well. Okay, what do you think? What would be a first step? And we also have Michael. Michael, what do you think would be a first step? We have some good ideas actually so far I'm getting from everyone. Sophia, what do you think? Okay, Sophia. All right. Most of you saying to find the LCD, which is good. We can eliminate the fraction by finding the LCD. So what is the LCD among 5, 10, and 2? And it looks like some of you are already posting the answer. You're saying is 10, which is correct. So the LCD, least common denominator, is equal to 10, or 10 over 1. If I multiply each term by 10 over 1, that would guarantee that I would eliminate all the fractions here. So let's do that. If I go down and multiply each term by LCD, which is 10 over 1. And then I want everybody to reduce this and tell me what equation do you get next. Everybody type the equation that you get by after reducing this. Okay, let's see who can write down the simplified equation first. Okay, so over here we're going to reduce. This becomes 1. This becomes 2. So 2 times 3 would be equal to 6x. That would be my first term. Okay, how do you put 3x? Right, we have this. Don't forget that we have this 3 here also. And then this becomes 2, right? Okay, so the next one is to reduce to 10. So we have 7 here, equal to, and then here we reduce just 2. And 5 times minus 3 would be minus 15. And I see those of you who are posting your questions, you are correct. So these 2 equations here are exactly the same equations, except one doesn't have a fraction, the other one started with fraction. Obviously it's easier to deal with the one without the fraction. Let me make sure we'll be okay with this. Can I see a check mark next to your name if you all can follow this at up to this point? Samantha, you say you're okay now? How? If you put the check mark next to your name. If you're not sure what we did, if you have questions, go ahead and put the X next to your name and ask your question. Okay, so Hal says that you can follow but have a question. Okay, what is your question? How? Because you see, it would be a lot easier if you have your microphone, so we can participate by talking. Now, how says I prefer eliminating 3/5 x. Yes, you can do that. You can deal with the fraction throughout the equation, and you should get the same answer. Either way is fine. But again, it probably would be easier to eliminate the fraction like we did here. So the next step, that's true. The first thing that you look at is you want to eliminate 7/10 and multiply both sides by reciprocal of 3/5 or 5 would be 5/3. That is fine. But if you do that, then again you have to deal with fractions throughout the problems, which in this case we don't have to. So in this case, if I just simply subtract 7, also law of fraction, that's fine. You can deal with fraction if you like that. So here we get 6x is equal to, what is 6x is equal to here? Equal to what? Minus 22, very good. And then now we can divide each term by 6, and if I reduce that, what do I get? I can divide just by 2, so that would be half of 22 would be 11, minus 11 here, and then half of 6 would be equal to 3. So we can write it as a minus 11 over 3, that should be what x is equal to, or we can change it to the mixed number, that's fine, but this is just fine.